Welcome. Please pause video to view written information. Video is shot on a 2-post lift for clarity. Right side installation is shown. Process is the same for both sides. Loosen bump stop with a pipe wrench and remove. A floor jack from under the receiver area can create space between the frame and axle if needed. The kit arrives pre-assembled. Remove frame mount bolts from each assembly. Mounts are ambidextrous and will fit either side. Install frame plate with M10 1.25 by 25 mm hardware provided. Ensure plate is parallel to frame. Torque to approximately 25 foot-pounds. Remove leaf spring U-bolts and backer plate. Nut size is 22 mm. Wipe any debris from the surface. Move emergency brake line clip to the rear about an inch. Place air spring assembly atop leaf springs with small notch of the axle mount pointing forward. Reinstall U-bolts and ensure assembly is centered. Ensure U-bolts are vertically straight and evenly tightened. Torque them to 125 foot-pounds. Remember to torque U-bolts evenly to 125 foot-pounds. Connect 8-foot air line for the right side. Install the 4 1/4-inch by 1-inch carriage bolts through assembly to frame mount. Torque to approximately 15 foot-pounds. Torque air spring bolt to approximately 25 foot-pounds. Route right side air line following the top brake line to the left side and secure with zip ties. As mentioned, video shows right side installation for clarity. When installing the left, connect the 3-foot air line and face outboard when bolting assembly to the frame. This will keep the air line safe from exhaust heat. A line clip is provided to secure both lines to frame mount. Trim air spring lines as needed. Cut straight with a sharp razor blade type knife or cutter. Do not use side cutters meant for wire. Cuts must be clean and straight. Connect air spring lines to Y fitting. Remove rubber frame plug to aid fill line routing. Route into frame and out the rear is shown. Trim and connect to fitting and secure with zip ties. Installation of fill valve is shown in bumper fascia by drilling a 5/16 hole. Placement can be wherever you prefer. Ensure line will not interfere with exhaust, suspension, or spare tire operation. Fill system to 100 psi and leak check connections with soapy water and double check all fasteners for securement.